Yes, the complete architecture of app development in Android Studio. Hey everyone, welcome to QD World. As of 2025, mobile devices now account for an impressive 73% of global internet traffic, leaving desktops and laptops at just 27%. And guess what? This isn't just a temporary trend. Mobile internet usage has been surpassing desktop usage since 2017. Today, about 96.2% of internet users globally access the web through mobile phones, showing us that smartphones are no longer just tools. They've become gateways to how we live, work, and connect. And as this trend grows, so does the demand for mobile apps that are fast, functional, and scalable. The tech world is changing at lightning speed, with breakthroughs and innovations popping up almost every day, right? If you want to stay ahead of the curve and not get left behind, learning mobile app development on native platforms is non-negotiable. Whether you're looking to kickstart a brand new career or you're already a tech enthusiast exploring new skills, mastering mobile app development can be your golden ticket to automating businesses, creating useful solutions, and even scaling your own apps globally. Picture this. By 2025, there will be a staggering 75 billion IoT devices worldwide. But these numbers aren't just impressive. They're signals of job opportunities in tech fields that didn't even exist a few years ago. Mobile apps will be at the center of managing these IoT ecosystems, and if you know how to build them, you're in a prime position to take advantage of high-paying roles or even freelancing gigs. The best part? You don't need to be a genius to develop apps. Thanks to tools like generative AI, coding isn't as intimidating as it used to be. But here's the thing. Let me be completely clear. Don't waste your time on easy no-code platforms that promise results without effort. If you want to become a serious developer, you need to start coding. No shortcuts. Here's something to write down in bold. You cannot learn to develop apps without coding. Period. The good news? Learning to build apps natively is absolutely free. You just need the right tools, the right mindset, and a tutor who can help you every step of the way. Before we dive into development, let's talk about the basic tools and setup you'll need to get started. If you're planning to build both Android and iOS apps, having an Apple MacBook or iMac is highly recommended, since Xcode, Apple's official development environment, only runs on macOS. While you can develop Android apps on a Windows machine without a Mac, you'll miss out on iOS development capabilities. So here's your checklist. Android Studio for building Android apps using Kotlin. For developing iOS apps using Swift or Objective-C. Visual Studio Code, ideal for creating PWA, progressive web apps, and HTML, CSS websites. The best part? All of these tools are free to download and use. Once your setup is ready, you'll have everything you need to start creating apps that could change the game. Now, let me save you from a common mistake. Don't waste your time swimming around the internet, hunting for scattered tutorials on how to build separate app functions like UI design, database management, or login systems. Most of the time, you'll find bits and pieces of information from different tutors. And believe me, this can quickly get confusing and overwhelming. Here's the good news. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Android app development in one complete bootcamp video. I'll guide you step by step through building a fully functional app, starting from the front-end UI/UX design to integrating business automation features. We'll cover building back-end data functionality using Firebase, how to fetch, update, and store data seamlessly, implementing user sign-up, login, and authentication systems, adding a payment gateway to accept online payments directly from users, developing an admin panel that allows you to manage and update your app in real time. By the end of this bootcamp, you'll have developed a complete, production-ready app, and you'll be equipped with the skills to build more apps on your own. Before we dive into coding, let me first show you a real-time demo of the app we'll be building together. Take a moment to see how the app works, from its user-friendly design to its powerful back-end features. But here's something even better. You don't have to just watch the demo. You can experience it yourself. This app is already available on the Google Play Store, and you can install it right now. Simply pause the video, scan the QR code on your screen, and download the app. Exploring the app as you follow along will help you visualize each step of the development process, making your learning experience even more effective. Once you've downloaded the app, let's start this journey together, and I'll show you exactly how to build your first Android app using Kotlin in Android Studio.